القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
So we have continuing the lesson of how to stop on particular words and the exception number 2. Okay, so the exception number 2 is when stopping on a med letter, whether it has a extra med or not, it will be read with 2 counts of that med. Okay, so when we are saying the extra med, we're saying that there's no hamza after this extra med. Okay, there is no hamza after this extra med, but we are stopping on it, right? So it will be u'budu. So the alif at the end of the word will be read as 2 counts of a. The ya at the end of the end will be read as 2 counts of e, and the waw at the end will be read as 2 counts of u. So 1, 2, 3. Is it a dhamma? Yes. Okay, so this will be read as a dhamma. U'budu, u'budu, u'budu. That's how you stop on it. Jannati, jannati, jannati. Okay, that's how it will be read. And hadha, hadha, hadha. If you're stopping, then it will just be read like that. Now this rule will apply whether an extra med appears on the letter or not. The extra med will not be read. Only 2 count length of the original med will be applied. So this is only when there's no hamza written here. So if there was a hamza here or a hamza here, then you still read the med. But without the hamza, then we'll drop this med. So instead of reading tubu, instead of stopping like that, you'll stop as tubu, tubu. So instead of stopping as awzi'ani, you'll just read it as awzi'ani, awzi'ani. And this one, instead of saying baynahuma, 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 we'll say baynahuma, baynahuma. Okay, baynahuma. So this should be pretty easy, because if the hamza was there, then we'll be stopping according to what's on the hamza. Okay, but there's no hamza, so we are dropping this med and we are reading it as a normal med. You can go through the exercises and you can practice these. How would you stop on these words? How would you stop on these words? You can read this to the teacher, and when they authorize you, you can go to the next part of the lesson.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.